This is Alex Miller's property. I'm in the backyard. We're going to be doing a cleanup here. So we are putting in new walk-on bark for mulch in here, and then on the other side in the front yard as well. For the cleanup, we want to go ahead and remove the weeds. Anything above 2 inches we're going to pull, and the rest we're going to spray with the weed killer. These heavenly bamboos are having new sprouts. We want to pull them out, and whatever we can't pull we'll just spray as well. We'll treat that as a weed. There is a tree right here, and we are going to use a pole saw to cut it back to the fence line, and we have about a 14-foot reach on that, 14 to 16 feet. That's how high we can get it. And there is a branch here that is starting to lean on the fence, and it's this one right here. You can see where it's been rubbing. We want to go ahead and cut it and remove this whole branch, so that it's not, in the future, it's not a problem for this fence. So new bark in this area. As far as pruning here, the only thing we do need to prune is these heavily bamboos, and we want to get them pruned back so they're not leaning over to the patio. And there are two flax plants, one right here, there's an emitter, and then one right here, there's an emitter there as well, and they just both died. So we want to put in new 1-gallon flax in here. There are some weeds in the joints here. We want to make sure we get that with the string trimmer. A ton of volunteers from the heavenly bamboo here, so we definitely got to clean that up, and then whatever's left we're going to spray it. So they're starting to kind of lean like this. All this extra growth, we're going to cut it off so it's not leaning, and then whatever's standing up, we'll just trim it so it's upright. Some weeds in here, we want to make sure we get these. Some more mulch in here that we're going to put in, and then I'll walk around the front to show where we're going to put it in the front. This little planter bed right here, we're going to put some mulch in, and then the mulch here is almost spilling over on the side, so we're going to rake this back to create a little lip so that the new mulch isn't spilling over onto the pathway up here. So make sure we do that. And then all the way down along this fence to the end of the property line, which is going to be right here. So there's a marker right here. This is the property line. That's where it goes. So all this we'll put in mulch. And then no pruning here or anything, just the mulch. That's it.